Hey yo, I haven't posted in a while and I have no recordings yet whatsoever. I've been busy lately with school, so I'm just gonna post I'm just gonna compile random clips I have together so that I have something to post. So I don't know, enjoy.
Blinded.
I bet Phoenix is at mid.
Spike down
Not
mid.
kill my allies.
Last player standing. Get him, wingman.
What is he doing? Nice.
One enemy remaining.
Oh no! Oh no, brother! Oh no, brother! Oh no!
10 bucks is there.
$10.
That's a reject.
Yung sikat na ano? Ano yung sikat na...
Titanic.
Hindi. No, na company ng Philippines na boat.
Banana boat, ewan.
Banana.
Look at my screen.
Okay, go. Don't tell me you fucking lagged.
I lost my dual pistols, man.
It's so funny. It's just like.
I'm making my way downtown.
And I'm homebound. And now I'm like.
Let me heal. Wait, slow down. Let me heal.
I put. Oh my god. Delusion na lang.
Puta, kina nagdi-distort.
Azrael's body with Dessa's soul.
No, do I get it?
Oh, fuck.
It's stuck.
Ah.
It's stuck. Oh
Is he Stephen Hawking? Aray ka!
Dito ako. Dito ako. Ipupog ka dito. Oh my gosh. Najujuk niya. Najujuk niya.
Tapos mag-right ka konti, nakita yung ulo. Weird doon. Wait nga lang.
It went over her head. She went over my head. Oh my gosh, she's going super.
Tayong suit.
Hold the door!
Wait,
Yeah.
hold.
Holy shit! Oh! 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 Whoa! Push!
Wala akong robux sa 7.
Wait lang, may gana.
Oh my gulay.
Bros are crazy. Can you have the gun?
You want the gun? Tabi! Tumabi ko!
Kiss ka ni Dep pag nag-leave.
Mag-on yung...
He's hitting the jiggy outside the door. I think mine forgot something though. I can't put my finger on it.
I can't put my finger on what he forgot. He seems to have
It's
forgot
a-
something,
It's
but
a real
I don't
butt
know what he
scratcher.
forgot.
I mean, head scratcher.
Butt scratcher. He's... I fucking knew it. I could hear his footsteps. Come on,
Oh, I see.
please.
I'm watching it happen right now. I'm watching through the camera.
Get out.
I'm just watching it through the cameras right now.
Can't.
What you did was not nice. What you did was not nice. It's not nice to do a job. Where is he? What's the job?
Oh my God! Nag-spawn ako tas nag-fling yung car ko. Ang pangit ng game.
What the frick?
Ang bilis ni
Oh my
Ang layo.
Hey! 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 What? Bitch!
Talo ka daw, ano, lalagay daw ni Arib yung paa niya sa mukha mo.
Oh, hell na.
Wait, I'm jumping off!
What the fuck?
Ano? Hey! Hey! It's me, Hermes. Don't believe me. I'll sing your song.
What the? Why did you pawn the monster from End of Story? Oh my fucking God.
Stop making coffee!
What the fuck?
Stupid bitch! Oh no, it's not my
There's nothing here. Ba't ka lumab? No!
Go that way, do not go that way. It's empty.
There's nothing there. Anong ginawa? Mamatay ka.
Paano mo alam?
Tinry ko.
Tanga.
Ba't wala pa ako nakikitang entity?
Ako nakikita ko na si
Oh
Sponge.
my God, is
Oh my
this
gosh!
real?
Tangina. Okay. The black silence is here. No.
Di ko
Oh my
mabukas,
gosh!
di ko mabukas.
Oh my gosh! Wait.
What the f***?
Ano siya? Introverted
Depende,
kapag di mo
depende.
kilala.
Oh my God, nahulog.
Depende sa tao.
Kapag
Ba't
ganun.
nahulog siya? What the f***?
Who the fuck is this?
Yo, shut the fuck up.
Bro, you have big hitbox. How the fuck am I gonna avoid you, bro?
Yo.
Di, akin na.
Stupid! You must serve me! Uy!
Gosh, pag doon pa rin.
What the f***?
Boy, mag-translate, Oh my god. Mas magaling pa yung MVP kesa dito. Oh my god. Puta ni Dan, pinapay B1 ako dito. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's all I got. No more clips. Haha.